Hi, I'm Madam Pamita. This is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a Lucky Clover spell using the Lucky Clover Spell Kit that's available on my site, parlorofwonders.com. Now, why would we use a Lucky Clover spell? Well, Lucky Clover spells are used in risky situations or in situations where the outcome is uncertain. Maybe you have something where you're not sure if you're going to have your good outcome and you really want to give yourself the edge so that you get that positive outcome that you're hoping for. Now, the Lucky Clover Spell Kit comes with a Lucky Clover candle, it comes with an oil that is supporting your intention, and it comes with herbs that also support your intention. Now, having your intention is key because that's going to tell you which spell kit to buy, which color candle and which spell kit to buy. If you are wanting luck in love, you would want a red Lucky Clover candle. If you want luck in friendship, you'd want a pink candle. If you wanted money luck, then you would want to have the green Lucky Clover candle spell kit. If you wanted health situation to turn around and you wanted good luck in your health, you would get blue. If you wanted gambling luck, you were actually taking a big risk, you were gambling or something was very risky, you would get a black candle. If you wanted more power and you wanted to get those lucky breaks so that you had more power in career or in your life in some way, then you choose a purple candle. If you wanted a lucky break or in some way there wasn't an opportunity that you had and you wanted to get that lucky break to get that opportunity, then you'd use an orange candle. If you were going into a court case or you had a court situation, then you would choose a brown four-leaf clover candle. And if you wanted blessings, just lucky blessings all around, you would choose a white candle. Now, the other one, the one that we're going to talk about today, is a yellow four-leaf clover, and that one you would use for fame and recognition. You know, here I am in Los Angeles. I have lots of people that are in the entertainment industry. Those jobs are really hard to get. They need those lucky breaks to get their fame, get their recognition, and so I always recommend to them to get a yellow four-leaf clover candle to get those lucky breaks that bring them their fame. So that's what we're going to be working on today. So the spell kit comes, again, the candle, the herbs, the oils. It also comes with full instructions about what I'm going to show you here. Those are written out in your spell kit. You get those with that. You're going to have to provide a few things on your own, gather a few things before you get started. You're going to need a tray or a dish to burn your candle on. You're also going to need a piece of paper to write your petition on and a pen or a pencil to write that petition. You're going to need some matches or a lighter to light your candle, and you're also going to need a brown paper bag or a piece of cloth to wrap the spell remains in once the spell is complete. So let's get started. The very first thing you're going to do is write your petition. So you get your petition paper and you get your pen or pencil and you write your petition. May I be famous for my talent as an actor, a writer, whatever. Once you've done that, set that aside. Now you're going to dress your candle. With your oil that comes in your kit, you're going to put a few drops on your hands. In this case, I've got Fame and Fortune oil, which is perfect for this spell. You're going to put a few drops of that oil on your hand, and then you're going to apply that oil in an upward motion. That means from the base toward the wick. You're going to put that all over your candle, getting in all the nooks and crannies. You're going to put it in there, really covering that candle with the oil. That oil is important because it helps the herbs and in our case, the magnetic sand to stick to the candle. Now we're going to open up the packet that's marked number 1. In this case, it's going to be magnetic sand. Now, magnetic sand is used to attract good things. So we're trying to attract that fame and fortune. So we're going to sprinkle that magnetic sand all over our candle, getting that nice and covered, front and back, on top, and so on. All right. Now we're going to take our petition paper and fold it toward ourselves because we're bringing something in. Place that on the tray and place your candle on top of the petition paper. Now you're going to take the herb packet marked number 2 and you're going to sprinkle those herbs around your candle. In this case, I've got bergamot, which is for success. And of course, if we're famous, we are successful, right? So we're going to invite in all that good success. Next, we're going to open our packet marked number 3. As we're sprinkling these herbs on the candle or on the tray, we could be saying our petition. May I be famous for my talents. May I be well known and recognized. May I get paid well for my talents, and so on. Master of the Woods is the third herb that we're putting down. And the last one is sunflower petals. We're going to sprinkle those around to bring in that sun energy, that Apollonian energy, to have our recognition and our fame. Sprinkle those all around the candle. And again, as you're sprinkling, say those petitions, say those words of what it is that you want. Now we're ready to light our candle for our spell. Take your lighter or your matches. Speak your intention again. May I have fame and recognition for my talents. May I be known far and wide. May I get paid well. Whatever it is that you're wanting to attract in. Now you let that candle burn. When you're awake and you're at home, if you leave the house or you go to sleep, you snuff that candle out, you don't blow it out, then you relight it again once you get home or once you wake up. You want to let the candle burn completely. Once the candle has burned completely, you can gather up the remnants of the candle, the remains, the herbs, the wax, and so on. Wrap them up in a cloth or put them in a brown paper bag, and then you can leave those in a crossroads or bury them on your property or hold on to them until your spell is complete and you get your outcome. And there you have it, a Lucky Clover candle for bringing in fame and recognition. It's a spell kit that you can get on my site, parlorofwonders.com. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again.